I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Fire TV model and whether your remote uses IR or Bluetooth, because pairing steps differ. Once done, point the remote at the TV and make sure the TV is on and audible so you can test volume. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to initiate discovery if you have a Bluetooth remote. For IR remotes, you'll skip pairing and proceed to enable IR control in settings. This gets you into the setup flow quickly and reliably. You now configure volume control through settings, navigate to equipment control, choose TV, then set up new device or change TV. Follow the on-screen prompts. For Bluetooth, let the Firestick search and confirm when the TV volume responds. For the device will cycle codes and ask if you hear sound. Make sure to test volume up, down, and mute during the sequence. If the first code doesn't work, let the wizard try additional codes until your TV responds reliably. You finish by saving the configuration and testing volume control across multiple apps so you're sure it works universally, not only in the settings preview. Once saved, make sure the remote keeps control after sleep or reboot. If it doesn't, rerun the setup and test with fresh batteries to eliminate power issues. If problems persist, enable HDMI-C on both TV and Firestick, or use the TV's manual remote as a fallback. This often resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.